Your body will send you these warning signs, don't ignore them. A brain stroke occurs when part of the brain loses its blood supply and stops working. This causes the part of the body that controls the injured brain to stop working. A brain stroke also is called a cerebrovascular accident, CVA, or brain attack. Types of brain stroke. Ischemic brain stroke, part of the brain loses blood flow. Hemorrhagic brain stroke, bleeding occurs within the brain. Brain stroke is a preventable condition if you learn to recognize the symptoms that are sending you. There are two types of brain stroke. Ischemia, which are more common, and hemorrhagic. Ischemic brain stroke are caused by narrow or blocked arteries in the brain that reduces blood flow, while hemorrhagic brain stroke are caused by bleeding in the brain. Brain stroke are currently the number 5 killer in the US. What is clearly shown what I know what they are. Our blood vessels carry oxygen and nutrients to the brain. When blocked by clots, brain stroke occur, leaving brain areas without oxygen and nutrients. In a short time, the cells that are left without food will die. According to many experts, the brain is the most important in the body, responsible for almost all body functions. If it is affected by a blow, some functions do not work as they should. Brain stroke symptoms and signs. The symptoms of a brain stroke vary depending upon the area of the brain affected by a lack of oxygen. All brain stroke involves symptoms that relate to impairment of nerve function. The symptoms typically arise suddenly and most commonly occur on one side of the body. Symptoms and signs of brain stroke can include numbness, weakness, tingling, or vision loss or changes, confusion, changes in the level of consciousness, trouble speaking, trouble understanding speech, vertigo, and balance problems are other common symptoms. Headache, nausea, and vomiting sometimes accompany a brain stroke, particularly when the brain stroke involves bleeding inside the brain. However, you should know that brain stroke is a preventable condition if you know how to recognize the first signs. Experts say that the symptoms of a person to person, but all brain stroke occur suddenly. These are the main early symptoms of brain stroke.